In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the circular pattern tool in sketch mode. So if I just start a new sketch on a plane, throw a circle in it, and decide to create a, how about a flower? So let's make this 1 inch. And then in order to make a flower, we got to put a bunch of petals on it. So let's start by just putting a random old circle on it. Maybe make that one as well. And we'll trim off the excess and we will pattern it. So I'm going to go to the circular pattern tool. The geometry I want is just the upper part of this circle here that's going to be the petal. And then when I choose the axis, I just choose any circle that shares the same center point that I want to pattern this around. So I'm actually going to choose this circle for the axis because that'll allow me to pattern it around this center point. Alright, so it's giving me 6. And I think 6 looks like a pretty good number. Let's go with that. We'll hit OK. And then we're going to put another circle on it. And this circle can go, let's say, right at the apex here. And we'll make that 1 inch. And we're going to use the circular pattern tool as well. And with that circular pattern tool, we'll actually first let's trim this. We're going to trim this here. Hold on, it doesn't want to be trimmed. What's it doing here? Let's try and trim over here. Okay, maybe if we take out this dimension and then go to the trim tool and trim. What is wrong with it? Crazy old circle. There we go. Now it's good. All right, so trim that and then go to our circular pattern tool, choose this geometry, choose this circle again to grab that center axis, and it does 6 more. That looks fine to me. Actually, let's have some fun with it. Let's make it 12. All right, and then we hit OK, and look at that. Our circle is coming along beautiful. Our flower is coming along beautifully. And that is how you use the circular pattern tool in sketch mode. So we could at this point finish sketch and then see what we can extrude on that. I'm thinking actually it might go pretty well. You might need to do a little bit more trimming in order to be able to extrude that properly so that it is fully constrained.